Hi, what's up guys, it's your boy Crazy TGP. So in today's video I'm going to show you the top 5 best operating system for hacking. It can be for ethical hackers and penetration testers. A hacker is a highly skilled computer operator who uses bugs and exploits to break into computer systems and networks. An ethical hacker, on the other hand, identifies vulnerabilities in computer systems and networks and plug these holes. Kali Linux is based on the Debian Linux distribution and is especially designed for digital forensics and penetration testing. Kali comes pre-installed with more than 300 penetration testing programs and can be installed as a primary operating system on the hard disk, live CD or USBs, and can even run as a virtual machine using some virtualization software. Kali Linux supports both 32 and 64-bit images and even supports various development boards like Raspberry Pi and others. Kali Linux is bundled with several tools that perform wireless attacks, reverse engineering, stress testing, hardware hacking, and forensics. BlackArc is an Ubuntu-based Linux distribution aimed at assisting ethical hackers and penetration testers in security assessments. BlackArc OS is designed with the objective of being faster, easily operable, and having a minimal desktop environment. The key advantage of BlackArc is that its own software repositories are updated at regular intervals to keep the distribution stable and popular for real-world operations. The BlackArc distribution consists of more than 70 tools for tasks ranging from web analysis and network analysis to stress testing, sniffing, vulnerability assessment, forensics, and exploitation. Parrot Security OS is a GNU or Linux distribution based on Debian. This Linux distribution for hackers is built in order to perform penetration testing, vulnerability assessment and mitigation, computer forensics, and anonymous stuffing. Parrot is cloud-friendly Linux distribution, and unlike other ethical hacking operating systems, Parrot OS is a lightweight Linux distro, runs over machines which have minimum 265 MB of RAM, and it is suitable for both 32-bit and 64-bit. With a special edition, it also works on old 32-bit machines. So on the list we also have the Lifeshaking OS. Lifeshaking OS is a Linux distribution packed with tools and utilities for ethical hacking, penetration testing, and countermeasure verification. It includes the graphical user interface genome inbuilt. There is a second variation available that has command line only, and it requires very few hardware requirements. So last but not least, we've got BlackArc Linux. BlackArc is an Arc Linux based security and penetration testing distribution which consists of more than 1600 tools and is regarded as the first choice distribution among security researchers to do web and application based security testing. It is a strong alternative to Kali Linux and BlackArc in terms of variety of its tools and ease of use. BlackArc is basically a lightweight extension to Arc Linux for security researchers, as the toolset within the former is distributed as the Arc Linux unofficial user repository and can even be installed on top of existing Arc Linux. It can also be installed on the 32-bit and 64-bit machines, including ARM-based development boards like Raspberry Pi and others. So yeah, this was the video guys. Please leave me a subscribe, like, share and comment on this video. See you on the next one. Peace.